I'm Barry, and we're in the Henley Woodworkers shed, which was set up for us and donated or given by the Sturt Council. We started in 2004 as a shed for retired people. We sort of think of ourselves as a service to the community. We repair, old furniture. People come in with a three-legged chair and want us to repair it, and we do all that sort of stuff. Right from the beginning, it was decided our charity we would be the Flying Doctor, and so all our surplus monies since the beginning has gone to the Flying Doctor, and we've now over $50,000 over the years in donations. I've always liked woodwork, and as soon as I retired I wanted to get back into doing woodwork, so found out about this place here and been here ever since. We make ongoing friendships with people. It's a good environment, really enjoy it. It is fun, yeah, and you see a happy customer go out with something. It's really good. We were approached by a member of council and asked if we would be interested in making these planter boxes. We were pleasantly surprised when we machined it up. We're very happy with the two planter boxes. I hope the council is and the people are.